Hello and welcome. Today we'll focus on Learning Outcome 2, using appropriate tools to design a solution and plan its implementation and testing. We'll explore key tools and strategies that help ensure projects are well designed, effectively implemented, and thoroughly tested for success. Requirement analysis tools like Jira and Microsoft Visio are essential. Jira manages project requirements, ensuring all needs are documented. Microsoft Visio creates flowcharts and diagrams for system architecture. These tools help visualize and manage the project's requirements effectively. They form the foundation of a well-structured solution. Unified modeling language and entity relationship diagrams are key. UML visualizes system design with tools like IBM Rational Rows, ERDs, using tools like Lucidchart, design database schemas. These models provide a comprehensive view of the system. They ensure the system's design aligns with project goals. Prototyping tools like ActureRP and Adobe XD offer interactive designs. ActureRP creates prototypes for stakeholder validation. Adobe XD designs user interfaces for visual representation. These tools allow testing and refining before development. They ensure the final product meets user expectations. Project management tools like Microsoft Project and Trello are vital. Microsoft Project organizes timelines and resources. Trello uses cards for task management and workflow visualization. These tools ensure efficient project scheduling and tracking. They help manage project progress effectively. Version control systems like Git and SVN are crucial. Git, with platforms like GitHub, allows code collaboration. SVN offers an alternative for managing project files. These systems track changes and facilitate teamwork. They are essential for maintaining project integrity. CI/CD tools like Jenkins and CircleCI automate processes. Jenkins builds, tests, and deploys code, catching errors early. CircleCI integrates with development tools for efficiency. These tools streamline development, ensuring smooth deployment. They improve overall project efficiency and reliability. Test management tools like TestRail and Zephyr are essential. TestRail manages test cases and tracks results. Zephyr integrates with Jira for detailed test management. These tools ensure comprehensive testing coverage. They help track testing activities within project workflows. Automated testing tools like Selenium and JUnit are vital. Selenium automates web application testing, simulating user interactions. JUnit provides a framework for Java application testing. These tools ensure code changes do not introduce new bugs. They enhance testing efficiency and reliability. Performance testing tools like JMeter and LoadRunner are key. JMeter tests web application performance by simulating users. LoadRunner offers load, stress, and scalability testing. These tools measure response times and resource usage. They ensure the system performs well under different conditions. A work breakdown structure divides the project into sections. It ensures all tasks are accounted for in project planning. Sections include planning, development, testing, and deployment. This structure helps manage project tasks efficiently. It ensures comprehensive coverage of all project phases. A Gantt chart visualizes the project timeline. It shows start and end dates of tasks and dependencies. This chart helps track project progress and manage schedules. It ensures tasks are completed on time and within scope. Gantt charts are crucial for effective project management. PERT charts identify task sequences and dependencies. They estimate the time required for task completion. This chart helps plan project timelines and identify critical tasks. It ensures efficient resource allocation and task management. PERT charts are essential for project scheduling. The critical path diagram identifies the longest task sequence. It highlights tasks critical to project completion. Delays in these tasks affect the entire project timeline. This diagram helps prioritize tasks and manage resources. It ensures timely project completion and efficient management. Functional testing verifies system functions as intended. It checks that all features work according to requirements. Key activities include unit, integration, and system testing. Tools like JUnit and Selenium facilitate these tests. Functional testing ensures system reliability and performance. Non-functional testing assesses system performance and security. It includes performance, security, usability, and compatibility testing. Tools like JMeter and OWASP-Zap are used. These tests ensure the system is robust and user-friendly. Non-functional testing is crucial for overall system quality. User testing involves real users interacting with the system. Alpha and beta testing gather user feedback on functionality and usability. Compliance testing ensures adherence to regulations and standards. These tests validate the system from an end-user perspective. They ensure the system meets legal and user requirements. In conclusion, this video has demonstrated a comprehensive approach that delivers high-quality solutions, ensuring that every project effectively meets the needs and objectives of stakeholders. For any inquiries, please contact us on WhatsApp at 07484 361 688. We appreciate your attention and look forward to the next session.